According to a report of Niti Aayog on Water Management Index last year, India is currently suffering from the worst water crisis in its history, with the country ranked at 120 among 122 countries in the quality of water. By 2020, it said as many as 21 major cities of India, including Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad, will run out of water. Despite looming water scarcity, India is one of the largest water users per unit of GDP. Managing water effectively and to control the unnecessary uses of water is a huge challenge. Jeevan is a one-stop platform leveraging the latest IBM Watson AI and IoT cloud-based services. Jeevan is a single platform for water management system where we can measure, monitor and predict the uses of water at a per capita basis of GDP. As an administrator, we first log into the platform using a valid user ID and password. Once we log into the platform, we have to install a device with the username, email address, phone number, postal code and the device ID, which is unique for all the individual users. For the hardware itself is a digital water meter which is embedded with a nodemcu, which will eventually collect the data of the water users and transmit it to the IBM cloud using the MQTT protocol. For the POC purpose, we are using the simulator which will perform the same as of the hardware and will send the data to the IBM cloud, and we can see the reflection of the data in the dashboard as well. In Jeevan, we can get the data of the total uses of water for individual family in a yearly, monthly and daily basis. We can get the uses of water with respect to the postal code as well. As we have logged in as an administrator, we can check the prediction of the water uses for the upcoming years and can get an idea of the water crisis as well. Jeevan gives us the flow rate of the device that is installed, and if the flow rate is constant for the 3 consecutive interval checking, then Jeevan triggers a mail to the registered user. Jeevan uses 4 IBM cloud services, and for the hardware we have integrated nodemcu as a smart hardware device which will embed with the digital water meter and transmit the reading to the IBM cloud using MQTT protocol. So, Jeevan is a sophisticated AI-enabled platform using which government and other welfare organizations get to know about the crisis and take the precautious step. Along with the demonstration, we have the detailed documentation as well. We are looking for the passionate developers to work on our open source hardware and softwares and make use of Jeevan for the welfare of the society. Thank you.